In front of me is OPPO Reno 4, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select security, go a bit lower and click on SIM card lock. And select change SIM PIN. Right here you should enter the one that you currently have. In my case it's 2580, tap on OK. And now enter new PIN that you would like to apply to your SIM card. So it can be 124, tap on OK, and then re-enter this new PIN to confirm, tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, PIN has been changed, so this is it, that will be all. This is how you can smoothly do it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.